you know about this function. Okay? First, we want to stop here on the right side. And now we make a U-turn. The place is big enough. You can do that. Not pump the brake, yeah. So no. What are you doing?
No,
that is not good. That's not fine. Yeah, that is.
Oh no.
But it is not. That is extreme. You brake, you know.
Okay.
Please brake softer. No, you can drive. You can brake softer. Yeah. Not like this.
No.
Not like this. Yeah. You can stop. Better. Yeah. You don't want this stock, no? It's not good. I know, that's completely new for you. So, now we turn right. Now we turn right. And you have a preference, because you come from right. You have the preference, you come from right. And the small car here is like the indicator on, no?
Yeah.
You've seen that?
Yeah.
Cool. So now we turn right. Indicator on and green. Drive. Inside mirror, outside mirror, side look, not stuck, not like, yeah, not make this one, please, not in the curve, please, and fluently go on. Yeah, not 0 and 1, not 0 and 1, because some things between 0 and 1. Huh? A little bit better to brake. Yeah, you have to have it on this car. No? That's a modern car. That's not an old car. No? By an old car, you need a big stone for brake.